All right, let's do it. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Coming out.
I'm gonna wait. Can you, if he can make it? No, I'll wait. I'll wait. Is that guy gonna be landing? It's a pretty plane. Got everything dialed in. Take it off!
Gear up.
Going on deck. All you guys from 38. 38's landing.
Cool. No bling right now, I'm busy. Come on in. Better come in before that engine goes. You hear it.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Yeah, it's bumpy. He's good. There you go.
Got a long time range.
Yeah. Yes.
I can go out.
Yeah.
Oh, hey Todd. Will you spot? Will you be like
A co-spotter.
dual spotter? Going out.
Still on the runway. Still need a little more.
There you go, Robert. That Tusky coming over the top of you. Remember? What?
Huh? You can't hear?
I need to go.
Robert, what the? Wow, okay. Whoa.
Okay, take off. Left, right.
Jesus, Robert. I think your little one's calling you. I'm good. I'm pretty aware. Don't worry. I'm all good.
Low pass.
Taxiing out. Here comes the MUCMDs there.
Seafire.
What'd you come on?
Seafire.
Spitfire
For the Navy.
carrier.
Show pass. Kinda. Up and out.
It's gonna be taken off probably.
Whoa, look at the hawk diving.
Okay,
See it?
taken off.
Off to the left. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. He's most of the way down now. He was hauling.
Stop. Okay, he's gonna be out there on the left
Yeah, I
side.
shouldn't be looking at birds while I'm flying, but there was a hawk and I know. The hawk in full dive. I mean, it looked like a rock falling straight down. Whatever it is, it's probably lunch. That was me trying to adjust. My trim's not working. It's most of the way trimmed, but there you go.
Time remaining.
He's still on the runway?
I set my timer for 2.5 minutes. That way I get a half a minute to
Come on, Papa.
Can you call my land speed?
Be landing left, right.
Then I'll be behind you guys. I probably got more time, but it's been long enough. A lot of weird wind, Robert. Be prepared.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
He's
at the far end there if you want to land. So.
Doing
Nice, Robert.
a fastest lower pass.
He's going around, so you have to go you.
Turn that baby around, Robert. He's gonna have to land. All right, I'm gonna just taxi it into the.
Come on in. You don't. I'm okay on time.
He's going to come in at the far end.
Okay.
Back, man. Watch your back, otherwise he'll be out there just doing that.
I know. It's Burning Man.
All right, you're clear now.
Thank you. I always get him because whenever I say taking off, he says landing. So I go, taking off, landing, taking off, landing. Friggin' Robert, ah!
You're free!
Oh my God, taking off, landing. All right, everybody clear?
Yep, you know in there.
Do a gear pass, and I got to deal with this crosswind. Oh, it's not easy. And they're coming down.
Focus, successful.
I think there's 3 greens. Come on around. It looks like the wind's kind of cooperating. Oh, maybe not. Spoke too soon. Nope. We're going around.
I just want to catch him.
Huh. Huh.
Just catch him right here.
That's better. Considering the conditions, it's good enough. And it turned. Woohoo!
You guys are out.
Thank you. Thanks for spotting too. I ate up a whole bunch of time. Thank you.